I didn't know it was going to be this small. Hey guys, it's Mandy here, and today I am going to be doing an Ulta unboxing. So basically, a little short story here. Basically, I was scrolling through the Ulta app when I found some kind of deal that if you spent $19.50 on a certain amount or a certain kind of products, you got a free makeup bag. So that came with like 5 different little things, something like that. So I thought that was super cool. So I picked up a few things and it just came in today. I can't speak today. And I thought I would open it on camera. So let's get started. So I did already cut this open, but just in case, I do have scissors here. Just in case there's some packaging that needs to be opened. So I'm just gonna rip this open. Okay, and we've got bubble wrap and bubble wrap. So there is a receipt that I just threw on the floor, but let me just put this down. And the first thing I see in here is the Ulta Beauty Wannabe Fresh Makeup Setting Spray. So it's just setting spray. And I forgot to mention that in total I spent like $27 something with tax, shipping, all that great stuff. I did forget to mention that. So it's just setting spray. It just smells, I don't know what it smells like. It's like, I don't know. It smells like spray, I guess. I don't know. It's not a bad smell, but that is the setting spray. Next we have this little thing right here, and this is tiny. This is a lipstick. I did not know it was going to be so small. This is tiny. Look at this. Okay, and this is my hand. This is small, but I mean, I ordered it, so it's fine. Just trying to open it. I have like no nails, you guys. Okay. So this is the lipstick. It's a nice color, but it's just a lipstick. And does it have a shade name? It is in the shade Mischievous, and it is 0.05 ounces. But yeah, so I'll just do a little testing here. It looks like that. Next product here is the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer, and it is waterproof. Let me just see if I can take the wrapping off. I did order this online, and because of this, I did use the Ulta app, like virtual, I don't even know what it's called, but like they let you try on different makeups through the app. And that's what I did use, so I'm hoping this will be the right shade. It is looking a little light, but I'm sure I can make it work. This is the shade Medium Warm. Okay, so it basically just comes with this little spongy applicator, and I'll test it. Okay, it's actually not as light as I thought. You can't see it I guess you can see it on camera. It's right there. It's not as light as I thought. It's actually kind of tan orangish for me, so it's definitely darker than it looks in the container, but I should be able to make it work. Okay, so now we've got the free beauty bag. So you could either get it in pink or blue. I chose blue. And look at this holographic rainbow design. I love this. So I'm just gonna, this is a six piece count. Just gonna take this off. And in here, the first thing I see is the Ulta Beauty On The Go Cleansing Makeup Remover Facial Towelettes. So this is just makeup removing wipes. Comes with 5, I believe. Yep, 5 pre-moistened towelettes. So yeah. Next thing we've got here is the Poreless Face Primer. This is mineral oil free, paraben free, smooths and refines pores. So I'm pretty sure it's just a primer. It is 0.51 fluid ounces. And yeah. Next product we have here is Jelly Gloss Lip Gel. I'm assuming this is kind of just like a lip gloss. So I'm actually going to test it. Okay, so it comes with this little, I don't even know what this is called. It has this sort of tip to it. And so it doesn't really have a color. It kind of does. It's kind of a nudie color. And it's shiny. So, yeah. I would like to add, it smells good. And it's very sticky. I don't know if it's supposed to be sticky, but it is very sticky. Next in here, we have an automatic eyeliner. So I actually already have an eyeliner, but I didn't like the way my eyeliner was turning out. So I don't know if that's just because I'm not experienced in putting eyeliner on or because the brush was too big. But it wouldn't work well. So I'm hoping that maybe this one will work better. Maybe it has a smaller brush. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Okay. So here is the eyeliner. Whoa. This is very... Okay. So it's like a retractable crayon. It's not focusing well. But it's like a retractable crayon. You just twist this. So I'm thinking this will work very well because the eyeliner I have right now is liquid and it's just not working for me. So I'm thinking this will be very good for when I apply makeup. I actually wear makeup all the time, not that you could tell by my videos because I never take the time to put on makeup when I'm in a film, but I actually do wear makeup a lot. Okay, and the last thing in here is a brow gel, a clear brow gel. So I think this is what you do, like you color your brows, you fill in your brows, and then you put this on top to make them stay in place. I'm pretty sure. So the stuff is clinging to my hand, but let's see. So it's very true to its name. It's clear, and I'm just gonna kind of do that. I can't tell. Okay, so stuff is coming off. It's just, you can kind of tell on camera. It's a little shimmery, and it's kind of sticky. So I think you just put it on your brows, and it just kind of like makes them stay in place. It's a very small applicator. I've seen them with bigger applicators. This is a very small applicator, but you know, it's fine. And in here we also have one of these little do not eat packets. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!